How to check public watch hours on YouTube. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to it, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps our channel grow. Now let's head to the video. So for this you need the YouTube Studio app, or if you don't have the app, you can go on your Google Chrome and you can search for YouTube Studio. Once you open the app, here you can see your account. Here there is an analytic option. Click on analytics. Once you click on analytics, you will find multiple options here. Here there is watch time. Click on watch time, and here click on 365 days. Here I have 0.0 point 0 watch hours, but it has to be at least minimum 4000 watch hours to get monetized on YouTube. Here once you complete the 4000 watch hours, here you'll find an option of earn. Click on that and you will be able to enable it once you complete that 4000 watch hours. If this video helped on how to search and how to check your public watch hours, make sure to leave a like and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.